Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this today's video, I am going to show you how to fix first Abu Dhabi bank login error issue. If we are facing the login error issue, don't worry. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix the problem and just follow each step carefully. The first step is check your internet connection. Make sure your internet is working or turn your Wi-Fi off and then on, or you also can switch to mobile data. Sometimes if that is not work, then you just simply turn your airplane mode for a few seconds and then turn it off. The second step is you restart your phone, and sometimes a simple restart can fix many problems. This helps remove small bugs and glitches. The another step is check your username and password. Make sure your email or username is correct. Check your password carefully. Turn off your cap locks. Sometimes wrong details are the most common reason for the login error. And the other step is update the app. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version. For the app update, go to your Play Store or App Store and search for the looking app. Tap on update option if it is available. Sometimes old version may not work properly. So the other step is check your server status. Sometimes the problem is not for you from your side. The app server may be down. Wait for some time and try again. Many users also face the same issues. So the other step is clear app cache. Clearing cache can fix loading and crashing issues. Go to your phone setting, then tap on app management or apps, click on app list or apps, then search for the looking app, go to the storage and cache, then click on clear cache. This removes temporary files causing problems. The last step is reinstall the app. If nothing works, reinstall the app, restart your phone and install the app again from Play Store or App Store. By doing all of it, this gives a fresh start to the app. If none of these helps, then you can contact the customer service of the app by going on help center and they may help you to solve the issue coming on the app. So that's it. These are the best way to fix app problems. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more helpful tutorial. Thank you.